day. Need you in my life like right away. You are the piece I've been missing. Your lips are meant to be kissing. Oh.
Kili re Gavin Tebogo monna gago ke go solofetsa gore re tla ga motse mmogo wo montle le gore ke tla le ka kana go tsotle le fa go le thata ke solohetsa gore ke tla nna monna gago yo mo ikanyang ke tla go ithuta ke go ithutolla ka gola le wena. I vow to keep faith in our bond, to be your comfort, your friend, and your love. I promise to keep romance alive in simple ways. I promise to support your purpose and your passion, my love. I promise to respect you even when we disagree. I promise to listen to you. I know because that you love being listened to. And I ask you to be patient with me. And I vow to honor the vows spoken today and always.
Patlo Tebogo. Patlo Tebogo. Ke kana gore tota ta ke simile ke re Gavin, you have been my best friend and my answered prayer. Ever since I known you since 2018, you have made me laugh, love me gently, and stolen my food more than I could count. But but you have also stolen my heart. We were friends since 2018, and I became yours today. Before God and everyone here, I promise to choose you every day, to pray with you, to laugh with you, and make you laugh, and stand with you through everything. You are my peace, my joy, and my favorite person. And I thank God that you made me yours today, forever. Thank you.
Arise and shine. Glory of the Lord is shining on you. It's your beautiful day. Beautiful day. It's your wedding day. It's your beautiful day. Beautiful day. It's your wedding day. Wedding day. You have found the one straight from heaven. Found the one straight from my Father. You walk in favor, yo. You walk in favor, yo. You walk in favor, yo. You walk in favor. You have found the one straight from heaven. Found the river straight from my Father. You walk in favor, yo. 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 What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. It's your beautiful day. It's your wedding day. It's your beautiful day. It's your wedding day. It's your beautiful day. It's your wedding day. It's your beautiful day.
Ka itlhela mmeo ho ke le mmeo didimetseng yaanong nna ke motho yo reng ga ke tsena ga bathong ke a ba dumedisa ke a ba amogela anong ke ipotsa gore yo ke eng a le pharologanyo ebe ke ikana gore mme ke a go nna ke mmisa hela mme le mmeo nnang nako le nako ke mo itlhela mo kerekeng ka nako. She was always before everyone in church. Mme e le ngwaga mang kana motho ane 2018 e ka 2018
mo go ntse jaaka a bua. Nna tota ke motho ke rata mosepele nya thata la o ka ntara re masimo bona nna ke mo kareng ke ra gore that's how ne ke rata mosepele ka teng. So ina ga diragala hela yalo nna mme sanga ke mmone. Sanga ke bokanukile hela pelo a me be dumela.